about Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and it has got 2 moons. People call it the red planet because most of its surface looks red. Mars hasn't got any blue oceans or green land. Length of day and year. A day on Mars is 24 hours and 39 minutes long, a bit longer than a day on Earth. A year on Mars is 687 days. Seasons. Mars has got 4 seasons like Earth, but they are different. Summers on Mars are not hot at all. In fact, they are -5 degrees Celsius. Olympus Mons. The largest mountain in the solar system is on Mars. It is more than 25 kilometers high, 3 times higher than Mount Everest.